Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are taking a free tram ride in Melbourne City. Currently I am at Central Pier Station and from here I will travel till the Flinders Street Station. As I have mentioned in my previous videos, the tram ride in Melbourne City, which we also called CBD, is totally free. So if you are visiting Melbourne, keep in mind that commute is going to be totally free in the city. You can hop onto the trams and get down at any station which is in the free zone area. At the stations you can see there are green arrows, green labels which mention if the tram zone is a free tram zone or not. So no need to swipe any card, no need to buy any ticket, just get into the tram, take your seat and enjoy the ride. So this entire area is Docklands. This colorful building which you see right in front is the office of the bank NAB. There are many other offices here. Just behind the NAB on the Collins Street you can find ANZ office. We have stopped at the signal of Burke Street. You can see trees and parks everywhere in the city. Now we are crossing Collins Street. You can see the ANZ office in the left top corner. Right behind me is the Harbour Esplanade tram stop. So if you want to go to the waterfront Docklands, you can get down at the Harbour Esplanade tram stop. We are into the October and summer has started in Australia. Perfect time to plan your travel to Melbourne or anywhere in Australia, particularly Melbourne because other months are pretty colder here. But the weather has changed significantly. We had the hottest winter this year in last many years, and the summer is really beautiful now. The tourist footprints increase significantly here. So if you are planning to visit to Australia or Melbourne, you can plan during this time. October till February is considered to be a nice time to visit Australia. If you want to know how you could commute or how you could make your commute easier in Melbourne, I have created another video where I have explained how you could take the trains in Melbourne. So the trains are operated by V Line, which is a separate entity to manage the transport, while this ride which I'm taking is on tram, which is operated by, I think, Tram Melbourne or something. I'm not sure about the name, but I can drop that for you in description. This in front of me is the route map of the V line and trams. You can take a snapshot of this and have a look at it, or you can Google and figure out the routes where you want to visit. I say the trams are the heartbeat of this city. You see how smoothly they merge onto the roads with the incoming and outgoing cars, the traffics. See, now we are onto the main road and right next to us there are cars running. So this is the beauty of the trams. They merge really smooth with the other traffics. We have stopped somewhere on the Flinders Street. So you see, as the tram stops, wait for the doors to open, get down. And if you are getting in, one thing to keep in mind, first let the people who are coming out from the tram. It creates sufficient space for you. It also avoids the chaos. Do not rush while getting into the tram, especially the drivers. They can see you from the camera, and they are kind enough to hold the doors for you to get in. Now we are arriving the Market Street stop. If you have to go to the Crown Casino, you can get down here. It is just 2 minutes walk from the stop to the Crown Casino. And now we have entered the main city. The Docklands is a bit quiet. The city is crowded. Crowded in the sense it is more active, a bit more louder than the Docklands, because Docklands was initially a suburb which later was merged into the city to extend the city. So as you enter the city, you can see the shops on both sides of the tram. You can get down and you can walk the entire street. The best thing is that all the streets, all the footpaths, all the trams are accessible. Sometimes trams they do have the stairs, but if you need assistance with the accessible vehicles, you can ask the driver and they could arrange a slide or something for you. We have reached the sea world. This is sea life, a kind of aquarium. So if you want to experience the aquarium, the sea world, you can come here. Talking about making the streets, roads, transport accessible, I think that is the definition of a developed state or developed country, where everyone has accessibility to move from one place to another place smoothly, zero struggles. So what I like most about this city is they are very considerate in that regard. They allow or create space for everyone to commute freely. Now we can see the skylines. Those two buildings are the tallest buildings in Melbourne, and one on the left is the tallest in Melbourne.
Have you seen the movie Charlie? Have you seen it? Did you think it was funny? No?
You can see the bus there. That bus is also operated by PTV. But for your information, the buses in the city are not free. The free service is only in the trams. So if you are taking bus anywhere in Melbourne, you have to swipe your PTV card. Now what is PTV card? That I have explained in my other video. The link of that video is in the description. The PTV card allows you to commute anywhere in Melbourne. Just swipe the card and you can take any V line transport, whether that is tram, metro or bus. We have stopped at the Flinders Street Station and Exhibition Street. We have stopped at one of the most iconic station in Australia, the Flinders Street Station. This is the entry of Flinders Street Station from the Elizabeth Street. Look at this building. It's really old and properly maintained. This is a true heritage site to watch. That sound there. So if you have to get down to the next station or the next stop, there is a button near the doors or on all the handles. In some trams, some older trams, you can find a wire going through from start to the end. You can just pull the wire or you can press the button. It informs the driver that you have to get down at the next stop. The signal is green. Let's cross the street. The Flinders Street Station is right in front of us. You can see they have clocks from multiple time zones at the gate of the station. Really iconic building. People come here and take photos and selfies. Today there is a celebration at the Fed Square by the Chinese community. I have created a live video of that. The link is in the description. They also celebrate Chinese New Year every year in February. For that also the link is provided in the description. And with this lucky sight of the dragon, I would like to say thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. I will keep bringing such informative video for you. Thank you so much.